According to the most popular theory, our universe began about 15 billion years ago. It exploded out of nothing in an event everyone now calls the Big Bang. In the beginning, the universe was unimaginably hot and packed into a space smaller than an atomic nucleus. But within a tiny fraction of a second, it was expanding rapidly, and particles of matter were created. In a brief flash, the universe is thought to have inflated from the size of an atom to something like the size of the Earth. It was a dense mixture of radiant energy and exotic particles, such as quarks and antiquarks. After that, the expansion of the universe continued at a steady rate, and its temperature gradually fell. Before the universe is 1/10 of a millisecond old, protons and neutrons are forming. Matter and antimatter particles are created from the radiation and then annihilate into energy again. As the temperature falls, annihilation overtakes particle creation. After 1 second, the temperature has fallen to 10 billion degrees. The universe is dominated by radiant energy and lighter particles, such as electrons. The temperature continues to drop. The electrons and similar particles are mostly annihilated. By the time 3 minutes is up, 1/4 of the protons and neutrons have combined to make helium nuclei. For the next 300,000 years, very little happens. The universe continues to expand, and the temperature continues to fall. It is rather like a brightly glowing thick soup of radiation and particles. The electrons hinder the radiation, creating a kind of fog. When the temperature gets down to 3000 degrees Kelvin, electrons can start orbiting protons and hydrogen nuclei to create atoms, without them being torn apart by the heat. Now radiation is free to travel long distances across the universe. The electrons are attached to atoms, and the fog has gone.